Okay, let's start our rhyme. Okay. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I love to play. I bounce it right and bounce it left. I bounce it right on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, with my top I love to play. I spin it right and spin it left. I spin it right on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, I'm with my kite. I love to play. With my kite, I love to play. I fly it right and fly it left. Fly it right on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, with my dog, with my doll, with my doll, I love to play. I rock it right and rock it left. I rock it right and rock it left. I rock it right on each fine day. Okay, so kids, this was our rhyme, lovely rhyme. I hope you like it. Fine, I have enjoyed it a lot. Kids, let's start our maths. So we have seen that 10 makes a group. Fine. So today ma'am is going to take some more practice with the beads in our number smart BB. Fine kids. तो चलो देखते हैं नेकलेस के साथ देखेंगे. नेकलेस जो बनाते हैं हम पहनते हैं गले में, उसका जैसे कि 10 बीड्स रहेंगे उसमें. हाँ ठीक है, 10 बीड्स रहेंगे हर नेकलेस में. और कैसे हमारे टेंस बनते हैं, कैसे हमारे और लेफ्ट ऑफ द बीड्स को हम काउंट करके उसको कैसे टेंस एंड मंथ्स में लिखते हैं, चलो देखते हैं. ठीक है. सो हियर you have number smart B book, so you can open page number 36. Fine. So here a necklace and some beads. Can you see this? Now you have to put the date, and that is today's date, 29th of July 29, okay, 7/2020. This is your classwork. You have to put date like this. Take a help of your parent. Fine kids. So here you can see here are some beads. Fine. We will take 10 beads to make a necklace. हम कितने लेंगे? सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 beads लेंगे हमारा necklace बनाने के लिए. Okay, this is one necklace of 10 beads. You can see this necklace. You can see this necklace. This is of 10 beads. So made by only 10 beads. Fine. So is written like this. देखो अब ये tens and months का column है, तो यहाँ पे under tens column we are writing 1, and here nothing is there in months column, so that's why it is 0. 1 0 10. We have formed 10 beads. Okay, the 10 beads necklace. Fine. 3 beads are left over. अब आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैम ने काउंट किया है. यहाँ पे बुक में ऑलरेडी प्रिंटेड है, जैसे कि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 बीड्स को स्ट्राइक किया है, और आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे 3 बीड्स आर लेफ्ट ओवर. फाइन. इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स कि आपका 10 का ग्रुप तो फॉर्म हो चुका है, वो आपने 10s के कॉलम में लिखा है. राइट किड्स? और लेफ्ट ओवर बीड्स वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इन 1's column. Got it? Good. So here are some beads. We will take 10 beads to make a necklace. This is one necklace of 10 beads. You can see this. This is the necklace of 10 beads. Fine. So we are writing like this. You have to write like this. 1 0 10. Fine. So kids, you can see 6 beads are left over here. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10s are striking method से हमने उसको 10 काउंट कर लिया ऑलरेडी. नाउ यू हैव टू काउंट दिस 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 beads are left over after this, after forming this group of 10. It means what? The number will be 1 6 16. Okay. जैसे कि आपने देखा ये 10 का ग्रुप हमने 10s के कॉलम में लिख दिया है. लेफ्ट ओवर बीड्स आर राइटिंग हियर. फाइन. सो ऑल टुगेदर 16 बीड्स we have counted, we have written in 10s and 1s column also. Fine. Now turn the page. We have to solve this Now you have to put the date like 29/7/2025. Kids, let's write the numbers for each of these. अभी जैसे कि मैम ने बताया कि जो लेफ्ट ओवर बीट्स है वो आपको वंस के कॉलम में लिखने हैं एंड यू हैव टू फॉर्म द ग्रुप ऑफ टेंस एंड दैट विल बी इन अंडर टेंस कॉलम. आपको वो टेंस के कॉलम के नीचे 1 लिखना है, ओनली 1 फॉर टेंस 10 बीट्स. फाइन, गॉट इट? आपको समझ में आया? जब हम नेकलेस बना रहे हैं उसमें कितने बीट्स है बच्चों? केवल 10 बीट्स है, 10 बीट्स है, 10 बीट्स. फाइन, तो टेंस के कॉलम में 1 ही लिखना है फॉर ग्रुप ऑफ 10, 1 टेंस. फाइन, एंड लेफ्ट ओवर बीट्स यू हैव टू राइट इन वंस कॉलम. गॉट इट? सो हियर 1 इज गिवन फॉर यू, वी हैव टू ट्रेस इट ओनली 1 टेंस. It means this is a group of 10 beads and left over only one bead is left. So here I am going to write under ones column. Fine kids? Good. Now we can go ahead. Fine. So here is the bunch of, this is the necklace of 10 beads. So in this way we have to write under tens column 1. Only 1 for tens column. Why? It is because it has 10 beads and 10 means 1 tens. Fine, and you can count leftover beads 2. So write it ones column 1 to 12. Good. Now you can see this tens group necklace of 10 beads. So that is why I am going to write 1 under this. Okay, under this necklace. Fine, and leftover beads you have to count. Very easy. 1, 2, 3. You have to write 3 in ones column. Got it, kids? Now next you can see this. This is the necklace and this is the necklace formed by 10 beads. So as usual, as we written above, so we have to write under tens 1. Fine, I have written 1 in tens column. Fine, so kids, now have a look on leftover beads. So you can count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many, which number we have to write in ones column? Yes, there will be 4. 1, 4, 40. Very nice. Good. Now let's go for next. Okay? Fine. चलो देखो अभी आगे का सेम है. Kept, necklaces are kept of 10 beads. Okay? Everywhere. You can see. Now see, this is the bunch of 1, 10. So here 1 10 I have to put, and now count the leftover beads. 1 2 3 4 5. Here I am writing number 5. Can you see this? Okay, watch it carefully and try to write in your workbook. Fine. So 1 5 15 means 1 tens and 5 ones. Here tens group. Okay, 10 necklace. Okay, tens I am going to write 1. After that 6, you can see 6 leftover beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I have to put 6 numbers. So in this way it has formed 1 6 16. Next, okay, group of 10, it means 1 tens and leftover beads are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So I have written 7 here. Got it, kids? Let's go for next. So as usual I am going to write 1 under tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This is the 1 8 18. Let's go next. Now this is the tens group. I have written under this tens column and we have to count leftover beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So you have to write number 9 here. So you can see we have started from 1 1 11 and we have ended with the 1 9 19. Total number of beads. So tens and ones, I think you have learned, you understood very well. If you have any problem in this, you can ask in our interaction session. Okay, kids? So turn your page. It will be page number 38. You can see Heave is here, Heave's picture. Kids, now we have 1 necklace and 10 beads left over. देखिए आप 19 तक हमने किया, ठीक है बच्चों? तो यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप बना है हमारा 10 का. नाउ हाउ मेनी बीड्स आर जैसे कि खुले हैं ये. ओके, दे आर फ्री, दे आर नॉट इन थ्रेड. ओके, दिस इज नॉट अ नेकलेस, दे आर फ्री. यू कैन सी 1 is necklace, kept here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 beads are left over. तो क्या होगा उसका, देखो अभी यहाँ पे जैसे कि देखा आपने, इसका एक नेकलेस बन गया, ग्रुप ऑफ 10 बन गया. नाउ विद द लेफ्ट ओवर बीड्स एंड दे आर 10 in numbers, so as we know that 10 makes a group, so we can make a group of this leftover beads. Fine. So here is the arrow given. Fine. So it has become like 2 tens. Got it kids? 2 tens बन चुके. कैसे बने हैं देखो, जैसे कि हमने काउंट किए, हमारे जो लेफ्ट ओवर बीड्स थे, वी हैव काउंटेड हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Got it kids? तो ये 10 बीड्स जो थे उनका हमने क्या बनाया, नेकलेस बना लिया. वी हैव मेड नेकलेस. ओके, सो हियर if we have formed the group of 2 times 10, 2 times 10 means 2 0 20, it means 2 times 10. So here I am going to write 2 and 0 in one's column. Got it kids? Good. So we have 2 necklaces and there are no beads left over. No beads are left over. Trace and write with the number. You have to trace it and write in this, okay, tens and ones column. Fine kids. Now you see, now here see this activity is given. Buzzing heap, stick 10 bees here. Some bees can be in the heap and others flying around. Okay, आपको 10 bees को stick करना है. Bees are given at the back. आप देख सकते हो bees यहाँ पे दिए हैं, पेज नंबर 38. Okay, see, bees are given here, so you have to paste 10 bees. Okay, buzzing bees को आपको वहाँ पे press करना है heap पे. So you can take out, you just pull out this. Okay, peel off this sticker and paste it here. Okay, got it kids? आपको यहाँ पे 10 bees को stick करना है. Some bees can be in the heap and other flying around. Got it? So कुछ हीप में डालना है आपको और कुछ आपको बाजू में. Only 10 bees you have to take out. Got it? So take out your page number 39. Okay, we have to write number in this workbook. Okay, so here trace and write. You have to trace 1 1 11, 1 tens, 1 ones, 1 tens, 2 ones, 1 tens, 3 ones. In this way you have to complete this, and after you have to write in this also, in this tens and ones group. Fine. So 1 1 11 you have to copy as it is. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13. By saying you have to do it. Okay. Now how many loose beads, count and write the number. So this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 beads necklace is given. So this, here is 1 tens. If we form 2 necklace of 10 beads each, so it will be 2 tens. Okay, so leftover beads we have we have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have counted and written here also, so you have to write also. Fine. So do this page. Fine kids, I have shown you one example. Now let's turn the page. You will have this. Kids, you have to do this, trace and write. This is your writing task. Okay, so do this and trace it first and write in this. Okay, tens and ones given column. Now how many loose beads, count and write the number. See, now we have formed 2 necklaces. I told you that if we are forming 2 necklaces, it will be 2 tens. If we are forming 3 necklaces, it will be 3 tens. Got it kids? So here you can see 2 necklaces are formed. It means what? Here will be 2. Here will be 2. And in one's column you have to write leftover beads. 1 2 3 4. So here we have to write 24. Why? Because leftover beads are 4 only. Okay. Now next you can see 1 and 2. 2 groups form of each 10 beads. Okay. It contains each necklace contains 10 beads. Right. So we have formed two necklaces. So here is tens, 2 tens, and leftover beads we have to count. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here I am writing 6. it has become 2 6 26, 2 tens and 6 ones kids. Fine. Trace the boxes. How many lollipops? Count and write. See, you have to count the trace the boxes. How many lollipops? कितने lollipops है वो आपको count करने हैं. See kids, here given like in this box given 10 lollipops. Next is 10 and next is also 10. So it means 10. जैसे कि मैम ने आपको बताया हर बॉक्स में 10 lollipops है, तो it will be like it will be 1 2 3 days. So here you have to write 3 0 30. Now we have formed 3 0 30. Fine. So 3 tens का ग्रुप हमने 3 tens हमने बना लिए. Fine kids. Now you can see this page number 41. This is your PH. Put the date of 2/9/29, 7 and 2020. With the help of your parents, you can put this date. Fine. So this is your PH. So we have formed how many group? How many necklaces? 3 necklaces. And you have to count leftover beads and write it in this ones column. Fine. So this is your task. Next, I want to explain you that trace the boxes. आपको फिर से trace करना है. How many strawberries are there? Count and write. Fine. तो strawberries को count करना है. I'm just giving you a hint that each box contains 10 strawberries. Means each box is made its tens, 1 tens. Fine. So if 4 boxes are kept, so you can see there will be a 4 tens. Fine. So next page, let's turn out. Kids, you can see here like I'm showing you, this is the page of 42, page number 42. Okay, you have to trace 4-1 41, 4-2 42, 4-3 43, 4-4 44, 4-5 45, 4-6 46, 4-7 47, 4-8 48, 4-9 49, 5-0 50. See kids, we have formed the group 4 necklaces. Now we have to trace it. Fine, you have to trace it. 4-1 41, and same we have to write in this next column. Fine, given column. So 4-2 42, you have to write here 4-2 42, means 4 tens and 2 ones. Fine kids. So let's do it. How many loose beads? Count and write the number. Fine. See, you can see this 4 groups or 4 necklaces we have formed. Fine. So you can see this. See this kids, here 4 for 4 I am going to write 4. You have to trace only in tens column. And loose beads, how many loose beads are there? 1 2 3 and 4. 4 beads are, loose beads are there. So we have to write 4 4 44. Can you see? Good. So next is, you can see here again 4 group is formed and you have to count loose beads. Okay, let's count. So here is, you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 4 tens and 8 ones. Can you see this? 4 tens and 8 ones. In this way आपको ट्रेस करना है ये बॉक्सेस को. एंड हाउ मेनी पेंसिल्स? काउंट एंड राइट. आपका ये पीएच रहेगा. यू हैव टू डू दिस. फाइन. यू हैव टू काउंट दिस. Each and every pencil, just count. Each box contains 10 pencils. So this is your hint, and you count it and write it in this tens and ones column. Fine kids. So here 13th of July you have to write this PH. 30. Put the PH date. This is your PH. Put P dot H dot. Okay. At the top of this page. 13th of July means 37 2020. You have to complete till 50 number. Fine. So 50 तक आपको ट्रेस करना है और उसको लिखना है बच्चों. And here just have a fun with these beads. You count it. First 10 का है, फिर 20 का है, फिर 30 के beads दिए हैं, आप नेकलेस बनाने वाले हैं. And you can see the 44 necklaces are kept there. And here you can see 41 to 50. This is 41 41, 42 42 till 50. They have shown you like garlands or necklace of each contains 10 beads and 5 groups of 10 beads, like 5 necklaces are kept. Fine. So kids, keep learning. This was your PH last date. Last on 43 page number, I have given you PH. You have to do it nicely with and this is, you know, you can write now fast. You should be faster. Fine. तो आप बड़े हो चुके हो, आपको लिखना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, मेहनत करनी है. So keep smiling, stay safe, have a nice day.